Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Tech channel. Are you ready for another shakeup in the AI world? Because Meta, yes, the company behind Facebook and Instagram, is reportedly gearing up to launch a standalone app for its AI assistant, Meta AI. This isn't just another feature update. It's a full-on assault on the AI chatbot throne currently occupied by the likes of ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. But can they actually pull it off? Let's dive in and dissect what this means for you, for Meta, and for the future of AI as we know it. Get ready, because this is going to be a wild ride. All right, let's break down the headlines. According to CNBC, Meta is planning to release a standalone Meta AI app sometime in the second quarter of 2025, which is between April and June. Currently, Meta AI is only accessible through their website and within their family of apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. So, this standalone app is a big deal. Think of it like this. Right now, Meta AI is a guest at the party. This app makes it the host. This is a very strategic move to take on the AI chatbot space directly. But the news doesn't stop there. They're also reportedly testing a paid subscription service for Meta AI. What features will this subscription unlock? How much will it cost? Those details are still under wraps, but it screams premium experience and, of course, more revenue from Meta. Now, Meta AI already boasts over 700 million active monthly users. That's a huge number. It is a part of Meta's grand plan to become a major player in the AI arena, including releasing open-source models like Llama, which we'll talk about later. Okay, let's dig deeper. Why is Meta doing this? What's the strategic play here? Well, first, accessibility. Right now, Meta AI is buried within other apps. A standalone app gives it a dedicated space, a spotlight, and allows users to interact with it more directly and frequently. Think about it. Instead of having to open Facebook or WhatsApp just to use Meta AI, you can simply tap its icon on your phone, and boom, you're chatting with your AI assistant. It's all about reducing friction. This is especially important when competing with established standalone apps like ChatGPT. Another key reason is control. By having its own app, Meta can control the entire user experience, from the interface to the features to the data collection. This is crucial for refining the AI model and tailoring it to user needs. Now let's talk about Llama, Meta's open-source AI model. This is a genius move. By making Llama available to developers, Meta is fostering a community of innovators who are building on top of their technology, creating an ecosystem that rivals OpenAI's. It's like giving away the ingredients to your secret sauce and inviting everyone to create their own version. Let's get a little bit technical here. Meta AI, like most modern chatbots, is likely built on a transformer architecture. This allows the model to understand context and relationships between words in a sentence, making conversations much more natural. Now, to train these models, they use something called reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. Basically, humans rate the AI's responses, and the model learns to generate better and more relevant answers. This is crucial for ensuring that the AI is not only accurate, but also helpful and engaging. And finally, let's not forget about natural language processing, NLP. This is the field of AI that deals with understanding and generating human language. Meta is investing heavily in NLP to make Meta AI as seamless and intuitive as possible. They are also likely using techniques described in the paper Attention is All You Need to improve the model's performance and the quality of responses. These three elements, transformer architecture, RLHF, and NLP, are the pillars of Meta AI's power. The paid subscription model is a significant piece of this puzzle. Meta needs to monetize its AI investments, and a premium subscription is a logical step. What could this subscription offer? Maybe faster response times, access to exclusive features, or the ability to generate more complex images or creative content. Think about it. If you are a professional needing AI assistance, you would pay for a higher quality service. But let's not forget about data. Meta has access to a massive amount of user data across its various platforms. This data can be used to personalize Meta AI's responses and make it more relevant to each individual user. However, this also raises privacy concerns. How will Meta ensure that user data is used responsibly and ethically? This is a question that Meta needs to address head-on to build trust with its users. Let's talk about the competition. ChatGPT is the undisputed king of the AI chatbot world, but Google's Gemini is rapidly gaining ground. Both have their strengths and weaknesses. ChatGPT is known for its creativity and ability to generate different kinds of text formats. Gemini is strong in its integration with Google's ecosystem and its ability to access real-time information. Meta AI needs to differentiate itself to stand out from the crowd. Will it focus on specific use cases, like social media content creation? Will it leverage Meta's vast user data to offer unique personalization features? Or will it try to be a jack of all trades and master of none? The answer to these questions will determine Meta AI's success in the long run. There are two very different schools of thought when it comes to AI development: open source and closed source. Meta is betting big on open source with its Llama model, while OpenAI and Google are taking a more closed source approach. The open source approach allows for faster innovation and greater transparency, as anyone can contribute to the development of the model. It also fosters a community of developers who can build on top of the technology. However, it also raises concerns about security and misuse, as anyone can access and modify the code. The closed-source approach offers greater control and security, as the model is developed and maintained by a single company. However, it can also stifle innovation and create a monopoly in the AI market. Which approach is better? There's no easy answer. Both have their pros and cons. The best approach may depend on the specific application and the level of risk involved. To verify the impact of open-source models, we can analyze the number of projects built with Llama versus the number of projects built with GPT models, which can provide a measurable comparison of the impact of both approaches. Let's not forget about Mark Zuckerberg's ambition. He wants Meta AI to be the leading AI assistant in the world, and he's putting a lot of pressure on his teams to make it happen. Reports suggest an intense work environment, with employees working long hours to keep up with the rapid pace of AI development. This kind of pressure can lead to burnout and decreased productivity. Is it sustainable in the long run? Only time will tell. The article also mentioned that Zuckerberg agreed with a Threads user who suggested a standalone app. That's a clear sign that he's personally invested in this project and believes it's crucial for Meta's future. This commitment from the top is a significant advantage for Meta AI. We need to talk about the ethical considerations. AI chatbots can be used for malicious purposes, such as spreading misinformation, generating hate speech, and creating deepfakes. Meta needs to have strong content moderation policies in place to prevent these abuses. They also need to be transparent about how they are using user data and give users control over their privacy. The recent incident where Instagram users were exposed to graphic and violent content highlights the importance of content moderation. Meta needs to learn from this mistake and invest in better systems to protect its users from harmful content. It also raises questions about the trade-offs between free speech and content moderation. How can Meta balance these competing interests? It's a difficult question with no easy answer. The rise of DeepSeek, a Chinese AI company, is a wake-up call for the US. DeepSeek's models are reportedly more economical and efficient than some of their US counterparts, raising questions about whether the US can maintain its lead in the AI race. This competition is good for innovation, as it pushes companies to develop better and more affordable AI models. However, it also raises concerns about national security and economic competitiveness. The AI race is on, and the stakes are high. DeepSeek's success shows that the US cannot afford to be complacent. So what's the future for Meta AI? Will it become the dominant AI chatbot? It's too early to say for sure, but Meta has the resources, the user base, and the ambition to make it happen. The standalone app is a crucial step in the right direction. The paid subscription model could be a game changer, and their open source approach with Llama is fostering innovation and community. However, Meta needs to address the ethical considerations, content moderation challenges, and privacy concerns to build trust with its users. The competition is fierce, but Meta is definitely in the game. What do you think? Will Meta AI dethrone ChatGPT? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI news and analysis. And stay tuned, because the AI revolution is just getting started.